Okay, in this video, let's go ahead and take a look at Google Revision History. And this is available across Sheets, Slides, Docs, Drawings, as well as Jamboards. So located right underneath here, underneath File, if you scroll down, there is Version History. Now, we can name that current version, and then we can also see the history. Let's go ahead and hop into the history first. So we can see here that this is the current version I'm working on, as well as the incremental pieces of changes that have taken place. So I can scroll all the way back down to the document in its beginning when it started April 22nd of 2021. But let's go ahead and hop into one of these changes by clicking on it. And then as we scroll through the tiles over here, or the slides, you can see here that there's a color associated. So Noelle made a change to slide 12, and she has this purple box, and we can click on it and see, and it also outlines it right here for us. Or we can then keep going on and see how there's been changes that were blue that were made by Candace, and continuing on downward throughout the entire presentation. We can expand it as well and see how long it was edited for in that particular time. So we started about 4:06, and then we went all the way up to about 4:30. So we did about 20 to 25 minutes worth of editing on this particular document. Now, where is this great? Is and why revision history is great, because sometimes you need to just branch off and start a document in a particular place. So if I click right here on November 23rd, there's these three dots. I get a couple choices. I can name this version if I would like to, which is nice to have. I can also restore this version, so it will, again, keep my revision history, but it will now make this the current version again. Or I can make a hot copy as it stands in this point in time. Those are all options right underneath those three dots that are extremely valuable. Alrighty, hope that helps about revision history. And to get out of it, you just hit this little arrow back up here to go back to your document. Thank you.